Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode in your YouTube. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my YouTube. You can see whenever you browse YouTube, you will see YouTube will appear like this. You have to go in your YouTube in top upper side. You will see click over there, and then you will see here your user details or etc. things. And here you scroll down, you will find here something called dark theme off. So if you want to enable dark mode, simply click over there, and then you will see there is something called dark theme. Turn the light surface of the page dark, creating an experience idea for night. Try it out. So I'm going to click here on, and you can see this whole page YouTube is changed to dark, so everything is appeared dark. So for me it's very nice whenever I use my YouTube or in night. So it's a perfect time for you to enable dark mode. It will be better for your eyes. So now if you want to return back the normal mode, you can do so. Same way, click on your icon this like this, and then go on your this dark theme, simply turn it off. So this is how you can easily enable or disable dark mode in your YouTube. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.